Hello everyone, Justin Haggerty here from the International Drone Racing Association, and today I want to speak with you about insurance. I know what you're thinking, why do I need insurance? I'm just a hobbyist, just a recreational pilot flying for fun. Why do I need insurance? Well, I'll tell you why. Because you can't afford to take the risk of not being covered. You can't afford to lose everything you've worked hard for because of an accident where you cause some property damage or, God forbid, bodily harm. You're just an individual pilot. Recreational or commercial, you don't have the corporate financial support to fight those major legal battles. So don't put yourself in that kind of situation. Either you're looking for a new policy or you just learned you need insurance. I want you to go to our website, IDRA.co, and watch 3 more videos where I, Justin Haggerty, inform you about the many vulnerabilities that exist in policies for our market and how IDRA can help you find an applicable and affordable policy to meet your needs. If you don't have time to watch all 3 videos, don't worry, we'll track your progress and we'll contact you 2 days, 3 days, and 10 days to follow up on where you left off. If you get to the end and you still have questions, I want you to schedule a call with an agent, and a one-on-one discussion we can answer all your questions. I hope to see you on the next video. As always, stay safe, have fun. I'll see you at the next race.